Previously on my extreme condo makeover.
My unit is flooding. I wish I never bought a condo. This is not good. This is not good.
I'll be doing some exciting shopping for the bathroom and kitchen.
And then it keeps up your pants.
It's delivery day! Ta-da!
Hello guys, and welcome back to my condo renovation series from me and Dua Lipa. Special guest today. She's also very excited about the updates that I'm about to share with you. So there are a lot of different things going on in the condo at the same time, so I thought I would split it up into different rooms. So today we are tackling the common bathroom, outside bathroom, main bathroom. I don't know what you're supposed to call these different bathrooms because I have this outside bathroom that's shared. Maybe it's called a shared bathroom. And then I also have the ensuite bathroom, which is like the master bathroom that's attached to the master bedroom. Did I just make that more confusing than it needs to be? Basically, we are tackling the outside bathroom that's shared. Here's what we started with. A classic late 90s, early 2000s bathroom, beige walls, incandescent lighting, very yellow and like warm vibes, which is fine for the time, but I feel like it just ages the place a lot. And my style is very modern, neoclassical vibes. So I wanted to get rid of that completely. So this was the most exciting part for me, demolition. This is actually footage of the master bathroom, but we are just going to use our imaginations and pretend that this is the bathroom that we are currently working on because demolition looks the exact same. After demolition, this is what it was looking like. The bare bones, no tiles, no vanity, no mirror, just a lone toilet sitting on the ground. And then came the flooring. I'm showing you the tile that's in the kitchen, but it's the same flooring that I used all throughout the two bathrooms and the kitchen. Then some exciting stuff. It was time for the vanities and sinks to arrive.
It's delivery day!
Oh, I love the way this feels. Finally, now it is time for everything to be installed.
Hello guys, I'm back at the condo. Today is installation day for the vanities and the sinks. I'm so excited about it. And we also got the toilets here, which I think are being put in today. The vanity is being installed. Let me show you. Here it is. It looks like not impressive right now, especially next to the toilet, but we're gonna just like see what positioning we want. But the sink top is also on. It looks so good. Just like right here.
But then, it wouldn't be one of my renovation videos without some mishaps because we ran into an issue that I did not foresee.
Hello. Okay, so the contractor actually came and he left. We were talking for like an hour. Basically, many updates. So originally, the bigger vanity was in here, but now I put the smaller vanity in because he was like, dude, you don't have enough room for the toilet because it was like out to here. And I was like, wait, something's wrong. Because I realized I got the smaller vanity for the master bathroom and the bigger one for out there. So now we're good on that front. Everything fits, but here's the issue. Oh, this is heavy. So basically, we have like, this is all good and dandy, right? There's a hole cut out. But this second drawer, like this water pipe goes all the way down here. So the drawer, like if you come down here, this literally cuts into the drawer, which I did not account for because like I obviously don't know these things. So now we have to cut a hole into this drawer and like kind of make it like this. Obviously, it probably won't be as big as this because like we know exactly where the pipe is. So we can make it a little bit smaller, just like make some wood framing for that drawer. Yeah, so the bigger one is now over here, which we have the same issue. If you see in here, like you can't close this drawer because the pipe is right here. So we're gonna have to cut a hole for that. But I feel like that shouldn't be too big of an issue because like if you look at over here, it doesn't cut out that much. So it just only need to be a pretty small cut over here. So I feel like everything is finally coming together. And then the LED mirror will be here. So I exciting stuff. Okay, updates to the outside bathroom. The toilet is installed and we have a hole, but we still have to have the side pieces put in. All right, let's talk about the mirror situation. Girl, I'm obsessed with a good mirror. I feel like a mirror really pulls together a room really, really nicely. If you're missing something in a room, likely a mirror can fix that. So we used to have this gigantic mirror that spanned the entire wall, which I feel like is very reminiscent of a certain time period that is not the 2020s. I just feel like it ages the place and is kind of unnecessarily big and doesn't allow for any design elements on the wall. So previously in the series, I talked about wanting a light up mirror, which has been my obsession since years ago, but I've never been able to like afford to put in my own light up mirror. And I've only been admiring other people who have really cool apartments and houses that have them. But it's my time to shine. So I ended up getting a mirror that had lights attached or like integrated into the mirror. At first I thought about just buying a regular mirror and then like attaching LEDs around the back myself, but then I realized that it wouldn't be like integrated into the mirror. But you'll see in a second how this mirror functions. It's really cool and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like a mirror is definitely the centerpiece to a bathroom, so I wanted it to stand out and look really nice. So I love a good reflective surface is all I'm saying. Okay, just making the placement for this mirror too. I feel like this is pretty good. Yeah, vertical, like here. They installed this bathroom mirror. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh my god, did you hear that? It's a Bluetooth mirror. Wait. Oh my god. Hell yeah. Look at this mirror. Wait, it's it's dimmable. I didn't even know. Wait, listen to this. Oh wait.
Can you play music from it?
Yeah, it's Bluetooth.
Oh my god.
Wait, let's connect something right. But that's kind of annoying if you have to hear that every time it turns on. So what if you just turn it off from... Oh, okay, I see. Oh, that's really annoying. I have to figure that out. Imagine every night you're coming in here. You already know I love mirrors, but I feel like after having this mirror, my obsession is just taken to the next level. I'm obsessed. I think it looks so good. Definitely pulls everything together so well. So anyway, while the contractors were working on other areas of the condo, it was time for me to tackle some of the organization. Today I am shopping for some organization bins and storage and whatnot for the bathroom. Mainly like inside of the vanity, so some like drawer organizers. I feel like these would fit inside the drawers. This is heaven. I love acrylic. Okay, so I feel like this would be a good fit for like hair tools, like curling iron and straightening iron. Yeah. Love these big guys, but they would not fit into the drawers. They're also like $35. This for like the pantry and the kitchen. We're not at that point yet, but I love organizational things, even though I'm not very organized. Drawer dividers. These would probably be helpful actually. Okay, thinking get one of each of these. Okay, actually, alternate idea. I'm just remembering that the inside of the drawers is gray. Maybe I want gray drawer dividers? These feel really heavy duty. I kind of like them. Okay, I'm gonna buy both, try them inside the drawers. If I don't like them, I'll just return them. That sounds like a good idea to me. Cool. All right, I've arrived and I have all of my organizers here. The bathroom is looking so good. I don't know if I showed you guys the update yet, but the vanity is fully in. Oh, and look at this. We have water. The film is still on the mirror because I want to peel it off myself at the end, but it's fully functioning. But now I'm gonna just like see which one of these fits in here better. This drawer still has the hole in here, so the contractors still have to patch that up. But I realized that this actually fits in here perfectly. Look at that. It's perfect. And like, even if I didn't have the wall, nothing would spill out, but I would prefer to have the wall still. And then, but now let's see the gray ones. Wait, that looks really good. I kind of like these better. Look at how well the color fits into here. This versus this. What do we think? Not really sure. They both fit really well. I feel like the gray one looks like it's like a part of the drawer system, especially with this top drawer also being gray. Like this is the built-in one. I feel like it looks better with the gray. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, maybe I can do acrylic stuff for the kitchen instead. Okay, this is good. I actually made a decision. This is really impressive. All right, the bathroom is definitely not finished yet, but there has been a lot of progress. So let's see a little before and after of what we have so far. What do you think? I think it looks so good. It's so modernized. Definitely different vibes from what we started with, which is exactly what I wanted. I think everything ties in so well together, and I'm so glad that I actually chose these gray tiles on the floor, because at first I was like, I don't know if I want something dark on the floor. I just want like all white, all light, everything. But then looking at it all together, I think that the dark tile really balances everything out because everything else is so light. It's almost like too light, but we are going to deal with that in the next episode. Exciting things. So the vanity looks so good. I really love the color of wood that I chose, and I love the sleek modern sink top and the faucet. Girl, I never knew that I would grow up to be somebody who is like obsessed with minute little details like this, but like the way that it feels to like open the faucet, it just feels like luxury. Anyway, let me not get carried away. Let's talk about the mirror. Stop it, girl. I think it looks so good, and I think it definitely ties in everything perfectly. It's such a vibe. Definitely at night, it can be like a little nightlight vibe. Don't even get me started. I've already started, but don't get me started again on this mirror because I will go on all day. But anyway, the bathroom is definitely still not finished, although there has been a lot of progress. I still think it looks a little sterile and like hospital vibes, so I'm gonna tackle that in the next episode where I'm decorating, doing stuff to the walls, exciting things. And obviously I still have to change out the lights, install the ceiling fan, install the towel rods and like toilet holders, and also this whole shower situation, which I'm not getting my contractors to take care of. I'm doing that myself, so you'll see the process of doing that in the future. So many exciting and dramatic things happening, and I can't wait for you guys to come along this journey and see what happens next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!